guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're gonna be installing a little Christmas present I got yesterday. I got a new spoiler for my car. It's a GT350 style spoiler, so I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see how it looks on my little EcoBoost. So here we go.
So we've got to pull this off, this cover off here, and we've got to get this factory wing off, the little wing there. And we may have to drill a hole or two. So come along for the ride.
Stop.
Go ahead.
No, I was asking you a question.
Go.
I'm asking you a question.
Looks like we got 4 bolts, 4 nuts holding it on. They're 10 millimeter. Here, 2 in there, 1 there. You have to take these little rubber grommets out to get to it. And I would suggest when you're taking those loose, do it down here like this, so that you don't lose that nut down inside the skin of the trunk lid, because once that's down in there, I don't suspect you're ever going to get it back. Okay, it took an act of Congress, but we finally got all the glue off of it. And it looks like there's only 4 holes on the new spoiler, and there's 4 holes in the trunk lid. So we're hoping that it'll just bolt right up using the provided screws.
Gonna do a little test fit here. Oh man, that looks good. Stuck. Yay! So cool. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
All right, guys, there it is.
It's beautiful.
The proud owner back there. Yay. So it wasn't too bad. Overall, I'd say it took us about
2 hours.
About 2 hours, real close to it. Did not have to drill any holes. And this is a 2019 Mustang. This particular one is the EcoBoost, 4-cylinder EcoBoost. But I'm pretty sure this wing will fit any of the, 15 to
22.
15 to 22.
And this wing is from AmericanMuscle.com, and it's a GT350 style wing.
There you go. And we'll put the link down in the description below. So if any of you want to do it, there you go. This is my 18-year-old daughter here. Super excited. Just going to take her for a test drive. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.